Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language, and today's topic is conditional. Conditionals means that if a certain condition is fulfilled, if there is an action will be only fulfilled if there is some conditions are there. Like in the think size you will see that each and every sentence start with the if clause. That means if for the first sentence, if I had a superpower, if I had a superpower, so what will you do? You can write it that I would travel to the moon. Okay, if I had a superpower, then only I can move to the moon. Then in the second sentence again you can see that the start with the if we don't go to the school today, we will miss our maths test. If we do not go to the school today, what will happen? We will miss our maths class today. Then if it rains, what will happen? If it rains, our clothes will get wet. If we start late from home, what will happen? We will reach our school late. Now in this the condition, there are four types of conditional. First is the zero condition. In the zero condition, it's a if clause plus the main clause. If I can sleep well if I get a milk at night. And the second sentence, if I exercise I will regularly, I will remain fit. So in this sentence also, if I help people, if I get a proper wealth. The milkman does not deliver milk if the road is not good. The possibility. Okay. The babies cries if they are hungry. Second one is the first conditional. Now what is the first conditional? Here also, if clause is there, it is a simple present, but the main clause will be the simple future. For example, if you come, we will be very happy. If you come, we will be very happy. When we will happy? In a future time. If you come, then at that time we will be very happy. For example, in exercise B, if the bus comes late, I will reach my college late. If we prepare well, we will be confident about the exam. It's a natural thing. If you prepare well, you will be confident about the exam. If I see the principal, I will inform you. If I see the principal, I will inform you. If you go to the restaurant, will you get me my favorite pastry? Will you get me my favorite pastry? Now the second conditional is used to imagine present or future situation. If clause will be remain simple past, it will be a simple past, and the main clause will be would plus base form of the verb. For example, if I were in your place, if I were in your place, I would tell him the truth. Now, see, the first sentence has been done here. Have phone number, will call. If I had Jia's phone number, I would certainly call her. Second one, go to the bed earlier, will not be tired. If you go to the bed earlier, you will not be tired. Fall down will hurt. If you fall down, if you fall down, you will hurt your leg, your arm, hand, arm, anything you can write it. The fourth one is know where they live, will go. If I know where they live, if I know where they live, I will go there. The fifth one, have sufficient time, will work better. If we have sufficient time, we will work better. And then, if you practice better, if you practice better enough, you will be better artists. Now, the third conditional. What is the third conditional? If clause will be the past perfect and the main clause would plus have plus past participle. For example, you can see, if I had known about this, I would have, would have prepared, past participle, prepared well in advance. So, exercise D we will do like this. If I had known, if I had known it was a grand party, I would have, see that, I would have worn a formal gown. She would have spoken to you if she had remembered. Okay. Now the third one. If I had been B-double-E-N, been in town, I would have visited the fair. Now fourth one. They would have been disappointed if you had not come. If you had not come. If you had been free yesterday, I would have surely come to meet you. And in the sixth one, it is, we would have certainly gone on the picnic if it had not rained yesterday. Why rain? Because we are talking about the yesterday. So I think you have understand about the conditional, the four types of conditional. Zero conditional, where if clause is with a simple present and the main clause will be also simple present. Then in the first conditional, it's if clause simple present but the main clause will be simple future. The second conditional, if clause simple past and the main clause will be would plus base form of the verb. And in the third conditional, if clause will be past perfect and main clause will be would plus have plus past participle. So that's all for today's session. We will meet you in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.